What's up, all you custom car lovers? You're gonna really love this. Look at this 65 Lincoln Continental Restomod. Coyote Resto twin turbo Restomod. Holy smokes. Look at this new style interior right here. Look. Oh, how gorgeous is that? I just want to live in here, man. This thing looks so comfortable. Wow. Look at that door handle. Look at this roof. Look at that door handles. This is a car. Let me just tell you something. This is what the true meaning of classic, awesome, awesomeness. Look at that. Got the sounds in there. Look at this bumper paint, painted wheels, suicide, the door, the Lincoln. Remember the Lincoln's got the double doors, man. Wow, who don't want to ride in this bad boy? Nobody would know that this sucker is pushing out 700-800 horsepower. Wow. Look at that paint, man. Holy shit. If you ain't a blue oval lover, you are now. You want to see some more cool classic cars, click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.